Hello and welcome back. In this session, we will continue on with loop. So loop statements can change execution from its normal sequence as we have seen in the earlier session. So with loop, we can make use of break, continue and pass. So break will terminate the loop statement and transfers execution to the statement immediately following the loop. That means once we use break within the loop, it will break out of the loop. However, with continue, it causes the loop to skip the remainder of its body and immediately retest its condition prior to reiterating. That means it will continue to execute, ignoring the further statements after continue. This pass statements in Python is used when a statement is required syntactically, but you do not want any command or code to execute. So that means within a loop, if you don't want to print anything, if you just want to pass. So it rarely happens. If there is a condition similar to that, then we can make use of pass. So let us see an example of this. Okay, here we are going to take a look at break, continue and pass. Okay, so I have list of colors here. So this is what we have used before. Okay, let us use for color in list colors, then print color if color equals yellow, then I want to break. So once I break, then I want to print after break here. So what will happen here is it will print red, blue, green and yellow. Once it finds yellow, then it will break out of this loop. So this orange, white, black, purple will not be printed. Okay, and finally it will print after break here. So let us execute this and see. Okay, so red, blue, green, yellow, red, blue, green, yellow, and so it will break out of the loop from orange onwards. So that is why these won't get printed. So the indentation here is very important. Here what we want to print is after break. After breaking out of the for loop, we want to print after break. Suppose say if I make this indentation here and execute this, then you can see after every item, okay, before break, so you will have after break printed. So that is why indentation is very important in case of Python. If I have this here, then this will be considered as within the for loop. Okay, if I take out that indentation, then it will be same as after for. So it's in the same line as for. Okay, let us look at continue now. So for color in list colors. Now what I want to do here is if the color is blue, orange and black, then I want to continue. Okay, I don't want to get this blue, orange and black. So for that what I will do is if color equals blue or color double equals orange or color double equals black, then it should continue. Okay, else print the color and print after loop. Okay, let me comment out this. Okay, let me execute this. Now you can see it is printing red, red, green, yellow, white, and purple. So it has ignored blue, orange, and black from the list. So if this condition becomes true, then you just continue on with the remaining items in the list. So this is what continue does. So let us look at pass now. Let me comment out this. Pass is very simple. For colors in LST colors, so just put pass here. Just put pass here. So this won't print anything. So pass will pass everything. Okay. So as I said here, the pass statement in Python is used when a statement is required syntactically. So this statement is syntactically correct. For colors in list colors, pass. So this is syntactically correct, required, but you do not want any command or code to execute. So we are not executing any code here. However, with continue and break, we were executing if statement and print statement. However, with this pass, we are not executing any statement here. Okay, so that is about break, continue, and pass.